Why did the Sun King destroy his most loyal minister? In the opulent and glittering halls of Versailles, where every gesture was a performance and every word a potential weapon, a single word too many sealed a fate. The court of Louis Roman XIV was a place of intrigue and power plays, where the wrong phrase could lead to ruin. Nicolas Fouquet, a man of brilliance and ambition, found himself ensnared by his own verbosity. His downfall was a lesson in the peril of overcommunication. Always say less than necessary. In a world where words can be weapons, silence is your shield. Today, mastering this law can transform your influence. Imagine the power of leaving others in suspense, of making them lean in to hear your next words, only to find silence. This law is not about muteness, but about strategic restraint, a skill that can elevate your presence and authority in any setting. Louis Roman XIV, the Sun King, ruled France with absolute power from 1643 until his death in 1715. His court was a theater where every word was scrutinized, and appearances were everything. Louis understood the power of silence and mystery, often using it to keep his courtiers on edge. His reign was marked by grand displays and subtle manipulations, where the unsaid often carried more weight than the spoken. His minister, Nicolas Fouquet, was brilliant but verbose. Known for his eloquence and charm, Fouquet dazzled with words, but here is what he missed. In the court of Louis Roman XIV, less was more. His tendency to speak freely and lavishly eventually became his undoing. Fouquet failed to recognize that in a world ruled by a king who valued control, his verbosity was seen as a threat rather than an asset. In 1661, Fouquet hosted a lavish party at his chateau, Vaux-le-Vicomte. The extravagance of the event, combined with his eloquent speeches, outshone the king himself. Louis Roman XIV, feeling his authority undermined, perceived Fouquet's display as a challenge to his own supremacy. The king's reaction was swift and decisive, as he could not tolerate being overshadowed by his own minister. Fouquet was arrested shortly after the party, his words now his chains. Louis Roman XIV's silence was his power, as he let actions speak louder than words. The king's quiet resolve and strategic silence ensured that Fouquet's fate was sealed without further discussion. This shift in power dynamics serves as a stark reminder of how silence can be a formidable tool in the arsenal of influence. Why does this work? Words reveal intentions while silence conceals them. The less you say, the more others reveal. In the dance of power, silence is a strategic pause that forces others to fill the void, often exposing their own weaknesses or desires. It is a psychological maneuver that keeps others guessing, maintaining an aura of mystery and control. In a career review, let your achievements speak for themselves. Silence can amplify your strengths, allowing your work to stand out without the need for embellishment. By saying less, you give your accomplishments the space to shine, creating an impression of confidence and competence. This approach can leave a lasting impact on those evaluating your performance. In meetings, speak less and listen more. Your silence becomes a canvas for others' thoughts, inviting them to reveal their ideas and intentions. By holding back, you gain insight into the dynamics at play, positioning yourself as a thoughtful and strategic participant. This approach not only enhances your understanding, but also increases your influence within the group. Always say less than necessary. Words can betray you, revealing more than you intend. Silence, on the other hand, is your ally, a powerful tool that conceals your intentions and keeps others off balance. By speaking less, you maintain control and allow others to reveal themselves, giving you the upper hand in any interaction. Master the art of silence and watch your power grow. In the next episode, we will explore the art of making others come to you, another crucial strategy in the pursuit of influence and control. By understanding and applying these laws, you can navigate the complexities of power with greater ease and effectiveness.